Good late afternoon, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, and children and family. I'm at the Criccieth Bay in north of Wales. Okay, it's a lovely place, lovely resort to be in. You can see the range of mountains here. It's engulfed by cloud at the moment. Slight drizzle here and there, intermittently. Lovely sandy beach. There are some pebbles around as well. Yes, plenty of greenery, and you can see some lovely terraced houses there, and there is some kind of development, so it's quite beautiful. And you can also, where I'm standing, you can see the Criccieth Castle. So it has a long history. It's one of the Welsh castles. So I do recommend it's a must-see visit, must-see place, lovely resort. And here, if I just stand on the rocks, you probably have to go through the rocks, walk over it, and you can go to the other side of the beach. That's where the Criccieth Castle stands. On top of the rock is one of the Welsh castles. It has a great history. You can buy a ticket, family ticket, for just around £25, or ranging from 25 to 35 pounds, and you can visit the castle at the top. And in front of me, if I just stand on the rock, I can see there's a beautiful range of not so high but low level mountains, and you can see the sea. By the sea, it's quite calm today, so it basically tells me that it's not very windy. I'm not feeling too I don't get much of the breeze here. It is lovely out here. It's a great place to be here. Where I'm standing, just behind me, there's a fish and chip shop. There's a couple of them up there, up the hill, just coming before the castle. And there is also a cafe. We've just visited a cafe, and we just had some lovely, you can try some Welsh ice cream and pizza, jacket potatoes, cappuccino, so you can get some pretty good refreshments here. There is also a small kind of high street. You can find the post office and other boutique shops up there. Sorry. Yeah, so we're coming to nearly 4:30 now. So the sun is about to set, but you can't see the sun from here. We're just completely surrounded by clouds, and I believe the clouds are quite low. They've engulfed the range of beautiful mountains just across the bay, and I do recommend this resort, so I do recommend that you should come here and visit. Thank you very much. Until next time, please look out for my new vlogs, and I'll be coming up with some new locations. Thank you. Bye bye.